Hello and welcome back to a video course on how to create quality content quickly using AI tools. In this video, I want to introduce you to an impressive AI technology that lets you create high quality content for articles, blog posts, essays, research papers, video intro scripts, you name it. You can do so much more. Now this tool is called ChatGPT and it's very simple and easy to use, and it's also currently free. So here's the website where you can go and create your free account. I've already got an account, so I'm going to log in and we can take a look inside. So here we are inside the ChatGPT screen. And you can see it's very simple. It's basically here a few little examples of what you can ask it. Tells you a little bit about its capabilities and a little bit of its limitations. So let's just get straight into it. All you really do is you have this area where you basically enter your requests. So let's ask ChatGPT what it is and what it does. So what is ChatGPT? Enter. Okay, that's quite a comprehensive answer. So basically, ChatGPT, a deep neural network trained on a large data set of human-generated text. So one of the key features, its ability to generate text that's appropriate for the context of the conversation. So if the conversation is about a particular topic, it will generate text that's relevant to that topic rather than generating unrelated text. Now, what else does it say here? So it's a powerful tool for generating human-like text for using chatbots and other conversational systems. And it has the potential to significantly improve the quality and effectiveness of these systems. Okay, that's wonderful. Now we want to actually use ChatGPT to create, we want to see if this will help us create a high quality a piece of content. Let's just take a look at what we actually are going to cover in this video course, what we want it to do. So what we want to do with ChatGPT is we want to use it to generate content ideas for articles, create an article outline, provide us with an article introduction, write the article sections, and generate an article conclusion. We're going to use all of this to create a draft article, and we're going to time it and see how long it takes to come up with a process. Now, a couple of parameters that I mentioned in the introduction video to this course is I want to just take what it provides me and use that without changing any words, without editing. So I want to create a draft article, and then we can basically assess the quality of what it's produced, and you can decide for yourself whether this is a tool that you'd like to use to create content for your business, for your website, or whether it still is too early in the development process to be of any use. So let me show you briefly some of the things that we're going to use to create this article. So I'm going to go to, I run an online course, which is called contentmanagementcourse.com. So it's a free content management course and it's quite comprehensive. I've spent about a year writing all of the articles and the lessons for this content, for this course. And now I'm at the stage where I just want to start writing some articles for the blog about content management. So what I'd like to do is I would like to use ChatGPT to help me create a draft article that we're then going to hopefully publish on free content on this free content management course. So I'll post the URL later on of the article once it's all done, and you can then go and inspect it and see for yourself what the end result is. So just very briefly, I'm going to use ChatGPT to create the entire draft article from beginning to end. We're going to create it from scratch. We're going to see what it looks like at the end. I have no idea, so we'll take a look together. And then we'll just make a decision on whether the content is good enough, is quality enough to be published with something that you would be proud to put your name to. So what I'm going to do is we're going to use the tool. I've got a little timer as well. See, I've got a little timer. So when we are doing each of the sections, I'll run the timer and then I'll add the total time it takes to each of the sections. And at the end, we can basically make an assessment of how quickly did the tool help us write content. And obviously, we're going to determine what kind of quality this content is. So pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm going to use WordPress to post the draft article. As ChatGPT generates the content, I'm basically going to copy it and into a blank text file here. And we're just going to build the article over this video course bit by bit by bit until we've got everything ready. Transfer it to the website, have a look at it, and then we'll make our decision from there. Okay, so in the next video, we're going to use ChatGPT to generate content ideas for articles. After that, we'll use it to create an outline, introduction, different sections of the article, and finally a conclusion. So I'll see you in the next video, and we'll get started using ChatGPT, and let's see how we go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.